Alright guys, we're in the black expedition. Waiting for somebody to come pick it up. I'm not about to lose any money on it, but I'm not about to make too much money off of it either. As you know, I bought it for $18.88. I'm about to sell it for $21. But after emissions and paying, because I be paying, friends and stuff to help me pick up cars. So after paying them and putting gas in the car, and I'm like 19 something in it, so I'm only gonna make about 127 bucks. I did take the radio out. It did have a screen radio in it. I'm not sure if I let you guys know that, but yeah, I did take that radio out, and that's it. So goodbye to this truck. I don't look, at least I'm not taking a loss, but I know I'm still selling it cheap, but hey, I'll let it go. So 2004 Expedition, about to let it go for $2,100. Got 213,000 miles on it, but it's nice, it's clean, black tint. I wish it was the other one I was letting go for that much, but hey, I just got to get rid of something right now, so taking up space, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. I'll let you guys know if you sell it in a minute. We did just sell the black Ford Explorer, so we only have the silver Ford Explorer and the Suzuki that I bought yesterday, which I did not even make a video of. I'm so sorry. I gotta show a video of that, so that's probably gonna continue it after this video. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but gotta show y'all the Suzuki. I got a 2008 Suzuki Sx4. I should have videoed the process because it was super dirty, cigarette buzz and everything. I cleaned it up. I bought that one for $1,400, and I'm going to be selling it for maybe $2,000, so make a couple of bucks off that. But the truck that we just sold, we only made $127 off of it. At least we ain't lose no money. And then I had to get rid of some stuff because I'm having a space issue. So, and then yeah, so I got the other truck. I remember I bought that one for $1,500, and so we can see if we can make some money off that one. Alright guys, what's going on? This is the Suzuki Sx4. It was very, very dirty. Dang, the door's still locked. It was very, very dirty. I'll just do a walk around real quick. It's got 144,000 miles on it. Dang. There we go. As you see, I got some stuff right here. I'm about to go clean it up. It's kind of dark, but it got a cigarette smell to it. Do this walk around real quick. Got a little scratch stuck right there, but it runs and drives. I got this car for $1,400. Cheap, 2008. I'm about to drive it over here to the little wash station and get it cleaned up. It has a cigarette smell too, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that out. As you see, it cranks right up. 144,000 miles. Oh shit. Does the lights come on? Oh snap, I don't know if the lights are coming on. So might just have to use the brights. Yeah, just have to use the brights. Guess yeah, that's working. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure because that's bright. So I guess the regular lights don't work, so you gotta use brights. So I just found out something new. But it's a nice little car, nice little cheap car for somebody. Let's head back. Let's head in the back here. Like I say, I got it actually for $1,100, but with the fees at Iaai, because I did get this at Iaai, it came up to like $1,428. So yeah, got it pretty cheap for 2008 at least. Like I say, I think so. Just about to give it a little clean up, and that's gonna be that. Hopefully we can get about, cars aren't really selling too high right now. I'm not sure, I guess maybe it's the time, but I'm not the only one. Oh man, somebody's at the little wash station. But yeah, it's not really selling. Cars not really selling them good. Like I say, I told y'all I showed the Expedition, but I only made, you know, 100 and something bucks, like 127 bucks to be exact, off that car. I guess I'll just sit here and wait till this person's done in the new Camry. But yeah, that's about it, man. Like I say, this car I should be able to get at least, you know, I think $2,000 off of it at least. At least $2,000 to, you know, 18, make 400 bucks off of it or something like that, you know. It's kind of hard in the car game right now, guys. Things are moving pretty slow. And this person actually might be moving pretty slow. Hopefully they hurry up. But that's probably it for this one, guys. I appreciate y'all watching as always. Guys, I'm about to sit here and just listen to some music until this guy gets done. Oh my god, he's just now starting. Alright guys, so I'll catch y'all later. Wait for this guy to get done, because this car is like really dirty, so I do need to clean it. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Bang. Alright guys, just sold another one. It is the Suzuki there. Girl just bought it there. Didn't make much money off that one either. Bought it for $14.28, sold it for $16.50. I'm not sure what's going on right now, but people are, I just think it's a bad time right now, at least for cash cars. They not buying, or I'm not sure what's going on, because I'm only making like, you know, shoot, 100 and something, $200-300 off these cars that I'm selling, or barely making my money back. But I'll catch y'all on the next one. The only thing I got left is the Expedition, the silver one, which I still got. I'm trying to give that boy away for what I bought it for. But I'll catch y'all later, and I appreciate y'all watching my video. Catch you later. Peace.